Hello, guys. Welcome back to another episode of Learning Amharic with Hagerly. In today's lesson, we'll be looking at morphemes or morphological units of a language. Here, you'll see just how a couple of letters can change the very nature of the word. Morphemes or ምዕላድ in Amharic are the most meaningful morphological units of the language. To demonstrate, let's use the word beautiful in English. So the word beautiful is comprised of two morphemes. The first one, beauty, is a noun, sometimes used an adverb. And the second one, full. When these words are connected together, they give us the word beautiful, which is a different part of speech than the word beauty, which is an adjective. So those are morphemes.
That's correct. As Isaac said, morphemes in Amharic are called ምዕላድ. In Amharic, there are two types of morphemes. They are called free or ነፃ ምዕላድ, bound or ጥገኛ ምዕላድ. Let's take the example Isaac used. The word beautiful has two morphemes. The first one, beauty, is a free morpheme or ነፃ ምዕላድ because it can stand on its own and it can be independent.
Shall we see some examples?
Of course, let's start with house.
ቤት
Sky,
ሰማይ
wisdom,
ጥበብ
left,
ግራ
one.
አንድ
Now let's take a look at bound morphemes. These morphemes are dependent. Unless they're joined with free morphemes, they don't have any meanings. Other than that, they also change the nature of free morphemes. Just like the example we saw first, the word beautiful is different from the word beauty. This is because of the bound morpheme full.
That's right, that's right. Shall we see more examples?
Of course, let's start with houses.
betoč, which is comprised of the free morpheme bet and the bound morpheme och.
Blue,
sämayawi, which is made from the free morpheme ሰማይ and the bound morpheme awi.
lefty,
gïrañ, which is made from the free morpheme gra and the bound morpheme ñ.
person of wisdom,
ጥበበኛ, which is made from the free morpheme ጥበብ and the bound morpheme እኛ.
On the first,
በአንደኛው, which is made from the free morpheme and the bound morphemes በ, እኛ and ው.
now let's look at some morphemes for different scenarios.
All right.
If something happens, for example, he ate.
በላ.
If he worked.
ሰራ.
To specify place and time. For example, in the night.
በማታ.
On the sky.
በሰማይ.
On land.
በምድር.
To show resemblance and comparison. Like you for a man.
እንደ አንተ.
Like you for a woman.
እንደ አንቺ.
Like a person.
እንደ ሰው.
To show the state of things. For example, hotness.
ሙቀት.
Cunning.
ብልሃት.
When we add the article the, for example, the sky.
ሰማይ ኡ.
The tall.
ረጅም ኡ.
The red.
ቀይ ኡ.
when we pluralize. For example, neighbors.
ጎረቤቶች
lions,
አንበሳዎች
other morphemes like fine arts,
ስነ ጥበብ
body,
ሰውነት
So, Isaac, what do you think about morphemes?
Morphemes are the basic parts of a language. I think understanding them helps us to easily identify and comprehend words better.
That's right. Without morphemes, we wouldn't be able to talk about state, kind, manner, gender, color, or anything.
True. Which type of morpheme is able to stand on its own, but can't be further divided?
ነፃ ምዕላድ.
Right. And which type of morpheme can't stand on its own and can't be divided further?
ጥገኛ ምዕላድ.
In the light of morphemes, when you come across complex words, words that you've never heard of before, it's good practice to deconstruct that word and extract the free morphemes or the ነፃ ምዕላድ and the bound morphemes or the ጥገኛ ምዕላድ. In doing so, you'll have broken down a complex word into its simpler and more base form. Now consider the word ababoቹ. Here, you can see that the word ababoቹ is made of the free morpheme abeba and the two bound morphemes ዎች and u. Now, if you know that the word ababa in English means flower, and the infix ዎች is a bound morpheme that we use to multiply, and the prefix u is a bound morpheme for the article the, you can comprehend that the word ababoቹ means the flowers. This is what we mean when we say deconstructing a word, a complex word, helps you in understanding them. Thank you for watching today's video. In today's lesson, we've managed to cover the basics of morphemes in Amharic. As always, every lesson brings you one step closer to fluency. If you have had any questions regarding the lessons in this video, feel free to comment down on the comment section. Thank you, and see you on the next one.